Hi friends, today we made vacuum cleaner with materials available in my home. Vacuum cleaner is used to clean the dust in our home. It is the most important mission in our home. My friend Akash tells about material required.
Materials required: working model of vacuum cleaner, DC motor, connecting wires, plastic bottle, water pipe, the hanger for thermocol sheet, 6 volts battery. My friend Uday said about the procedure.
My friend saying about working of the vacuum cleaner.
I am throwing here some dust, here connecting wires. Here I pull the air and dust in towards the battery.